that one's moving. It's away. Oh, I'm getting out! Oh my god! My plane! Oh my god, is that a child in the toilet? Please say those are dolls. Get him. Got him. Hi, buddy. Do I want to break this? Not here. I hate the blind man. What is he doing? Is he a toy maker at the same time? Why are you back? Nobody likes you. Nobody likes you. Absolutely no one. Remember when we played this the first time? Remember how I hated you? And how I couldn't get past anything? I remember that. Not here. Not here. Oh, he's making gnomes! Why is he making gnomes? Why is he making them? Oh no, he smelled me. It was so quiet. Oh, don't show it, don't show it. Oh, okay, thank you. Thank you for the Okay, all right. I don't know what I just did. But something happened, right? I hate this guy. Have I mentioned that I hate this guy? I hate him so much. He's so creepy, and he makes me feel uncomfy, and I do not like it. Don't find me, don't find me, don't find me. It's all gonna be okay. Okay, it's okay. Dear God. Not here. Don't find me. That works? Oh my God, no way. Hi. You go get your thing, make your toys, have a little fun over there. There is a saw there. Are we gonna chop his arms off? I don't want to do that. I mean, I do. Oh, come on! Wouldn't the sound of me turning it on in the other room, like, it makes plenty of noise when I do that. It's okay. Go! Fuck! What the fuck? Okay, it was just a rat. I was like, what in... Okay, like, there's only so much, you know? There's only so much shit. If it makes any sense. Okay, so I'm gonna have to do something to get up there. That's loud. Oh, hold on. All right, if I jump, you jump. Keep going. Yeah! I figured that one out all on my own. Wait, no. Oh, kid, don't walk on broken glass. Who do you think you are? Oh. Perfect. Thank you, Mr. Gnome. I know you can't climb, but, like, thank you.
Love you. I'll be back. Don't stand under that cart.
We're going places, people. We're going places. Oh, God, these dolls are freaking creepy. Do not like. 10 out of 10 would not recommend.
Is that a dead body? No, it's a doll. Oh, okay, no need to fear, dude. It's just a fucking creepy-ass doll.
The eye? Yeah, it is. Okay. Alright, well, deja vu. I think we've been here.
The eye! That's where the bodies get wrapped. And the part I needed for the stupid television. I hated that. Are we helping? This is what we did. Yeah, there she is.
Yep, and that's where I thought we disabled his arms, but this must be before the girl. Ah! She's right there! Wait, no! Where are you? I want to help.
Whoa! Are we gonna meet up with her? Oh, yes.
That monster's coming for you, honey. Yeah, he is. He's gonna fuck some shit up with you, and it's gonna be really difficult for you to get past him because he's a dumb butt face that doesn't want you to succeed in this game.
Oh, here we go. Okay. Oh, no. No. We want it to go down. Did it drop it off? It did.
We've got the cart down there. I'm sure Mr. Longarms is gonna greet us with open arms. Get it?
Think I can shimmy down the rope fast enough if I just twist it all the way down? Okay, that didn't really go as planned, and it like glitched and I climbed into a coal cart that wasn't there. Oh my god. Still survived. Okay, why can this kid survive jumping and the other one couldn't? Eh? This is my questions.
Let's go up. You're so strong, Mr. Gnome. You're so strong. Oh god, don't go through it. Okay, so maybe up isn't the way to go. Guess we're going this way.
Alright, we're gonna go. We're gonna be sneaky. A little gnome!
This is not a ball pit. That is coal. That is coal. That is hard coal. That's hard, cold coal. Like, didn't you know that you're not supposed to fuck with that shit? Alright. Oh god, I made a mistake.
I only hug him so he'll trust me so that I can use him for something. It's kind of a fucked up relationship.
I need you to come over here so I can love on your face. Oof. Ah! Thank you. You're a pain in my ass, you know that? I've got a plan. Hear me out. I'm gonna throw you. You're gonna get up here and you're gonna help me, okay? We're gonna get through this. We're gonna... Daisy! There you go.
Thanks for being willing to do everything I say all the time. You're the best. Oh, I have enough
Yeah.
He ran the fuck in there. Like, hey, come out. Come the fuck out, dude. Come out, dude. I need you. Good luck, No!
Alright. Fuck! Not this again. Ooh! Just fucking hold me! I need to pick you up. I need to love you so we can be friends and you can get me out of this hellhole. Ah!
Ah! Love me back. This is a team effort, you guys. All right, let's go. Come on, boys.
Ugh. Look at, I made another friend. Come on.
Yeah. What'd I get? Last time I got really cool artwork afterwards. Oh, yeah, stuff that in my pants.
Hi-ho, it's off to work we go. Great, good job guys, use your muscles. Go!
It's really fucking heavy, I know, I'm sorry. You guys are the best. We're going out for pizza and beer after this, boys.
Thank you for letting me use your muscles. I feel like I'm just using these little gnomes. All right, good. All right, we're making progress, people. I found a hole. I'm going in. Blind guy's probably waiting for me. Ooh, is it gonna be like a roller coaster? I like this.
Are you guys excited? I'm excited too. Let's see what we can break. Let's go. Okay, everybody push.
Oh shit, hop in, free ride. Oh, I guess to your death you just instantly crash. Kabah! Fuck yeah! We should have ridden that down like badass champions. Why didn't we hop in?
Woo!
Oh, I was in the door. How did I not die? Okay, a door getting me in the ankle before has killed me. And this giant coal thing doesn't?
I thought that was gonna be going to somewhere really unique and different. Maybe it was like a way out or something like that, but like, it wasn't. That was really anticlimactic. Fuck it. I don't fucking have time for words.
Okay, let me go get the trapdoor. Give me 2 seconds. Okay. Or I'll just, that fall I die though.
Hey guys, I got you. Hope you can survive a 20-foot drop. It'll be fine. Yay! Join the party.
Look at all this. We're like a tribe. It's pretty great.
There, okay. Are we getting there? How we doing? More coal! More coal, I say! More! Oh! That worked. Oh, okay. I'm supposed to get on that, I have a feeling. Yep. Where are we going? Oh, God. Where are we going?
So long, my gnome friends. I wish you all the luck. I wish you all the world. I have done it. I hope I'm free. Please tell me this is the end. Oh, for the love of God, please tell me this is the end.
What's gonna be up there? I'm crouching because I'm kind of nervous as to what I'm about to see.
I'm going. Oh no. A little terrifying.
Hello, George. Hi. Okay, I'm coming. I see. There's so much laundry. So much laundry to do. Hello, George? I left 10 cans. George? Oh.
Well, this is great. Oh, there you are. Hey. What are you guys? What? Why are you gnomes so strong?
Okay, crouching. The furnace gods. Oh, is this where everybody's... Oh. Hypnotized much? Does warmth just hypnotize you all? Can I hug you? Looks like I'm strangling that one instead of hugging. Oh. Hi.
Hi there. Where are we? Are those ones alive or dead? They're just sitting on the shelf, like, so desolate.
They're so nice and happy. Look how they're so cute.
out! What's going on here? Like, is that you guys? Are these pictures me saving you?
Oh wait, there's a hole right there. I'm sorry. Let's go this way.
What's happening? What's happening? This is the elevator. The geisha! What is going on? Don't tell me that's how it fucking ends. Don't tell me that's how it fucking ends!
The music is calming, so I feel like this is not okay. This is not okay. Oh boy. Okay. She's right under me. Oh.
Wait, whoa, shit. Is this the geisha chick's private elevator? Oh my god, she knows I'm here! Oh my god, she knows I'm here. Wait. Is it? What?
The elevator! We're going with the geisha lady. Oh no, please don't know I'm up here. Oh, don't know I'm up here! Oh my god. I really wanted his arms to like get cut off though. Is that bad? But I couldn't because, oh my god, that's it?
Oh, no, you didn't. There was no answers in that at all. What the fuck? Oh. I cannot believe that. Low-key upset right now.
Was that it? What? Wowzers!
No. Okay, so I have lots of thoughts and feelings. Okay, so for one, I was not dead inside that wrapped up thing. So he doesn't kill us? I just don't, like, I don't die? I just get wrapped up. So what happens to the kids?
That's the ending? Dude, that's fucking creepy. I was gonna say, like, she was super, like, mystical. Oh my god, it's super trippy. Okay, well, there's, like, a sad gnome room, and that's sad, but now they're together, and I just, like, moved on my way, and now I'm on top of an elevator with a geisha below me, and she's gonna fucking kill me. I was like, you think she knows? And then she looks up, you're like, she fucking knows, dude. She's got your number.
Wow. Let's just take a second, all right? Let's just take a second. We're breathing. We're fine. We're okay. We're dandy. We made it. We made it. That's the important thing. Let's talk about how we made it. We totally snuck past the blind armsy dude, and we didn't die.
The story's very cute. I like the graphics. I hate that it's so dark all the time, and I get that that's supposed to be part of it, but like, listen, I just want to play the game, and I want to be able to see what I'm doing.
I want to know what's happening with the gnomes. Like, what's going on? What's the dealio with that? Like, are the gnomes, like, why are they staring at the fire? Does it mean something? Is it there's something I'm not catching? Because they really seem to like the light. And I don't know why. Maybe because they live in such a dark place that the light is such an amazing thing to them.
I'm curious to see, maybe like the next DLC we're meeting up and like playing as a team, or I don't know, something. But the thing is in the end, when she took the powers from the geisha, we didn't see him, so something's got to happen, right?
Here, honestly, what are your thoughts and concepts? So I'm honestly starting to think that the janitor, not such a bad guy. He's blind and just wrapping kids up. Yes, he tried to eat me, but he didn't actually eat me this time. He just picked me up. So would I have gotten wrapped up like it's just I got caught? Is he actually a slave that they blinded and just forced to do the dirty work? I don't know. I have mixed feelings about the janitor now. I don't know how I feel about him.
I think the next one is the last of the DLC chapters, and I can't wait to see how it all connects, because it has to connect. There's too many pieces for it to not connect.
Oh, this is my level. There's so many Georges. I'm having a little like sad moment for our lost George. But look at all the cool things. They're like, look, you can go downstairs. Is that why they're there? They just run the heater. So the furnace is run by the little tiny people. Interesting. And we made the furnace work harder. I wonder what that does. I don't know. But what else we got? We got concept art, all sorts of it. Oh, it was gonna have 3. They only gave us 2.
Testaruski test. Chickaboom, chickaboom. Ooh. What's up?
I had a couple too much coffee. God damn it!
If you're like pina coladas and getting caught in the rain, making love at midnight. The music was creepy, so I thought I'd like also be creepy music with my mouth. I just sent this picture to my boyfriend. It looks good, right? Look at those eyes. Got my eyes on you. Keeping a lookout on you. Better watch out, because this face is coming for you. Always have to make sure you don't have any like trash and stuff in the background. I would say the word paraphernalia because that's applicable, but you always got to make sure that that's not in the background. But whenever I say, look up the definition for the word paraphernalia. The word just means like an assortment of stuff. I mean, I guess that's one of the definitions, but one of the definitions is also just stuff. When I say paraphernalia, I'm talking about stuff, not talking about porn. I'm only talking about porn about 60% of the time. The rest of the time, I'm not at all.
Might have a dance part by myself now. Dance party to myself.
Barnard heard me.